I'd like to make a note on safety. You can see this outboard boat docked in the marina has a fender hanging off of the seat, and then there is a life jacket laying out there in the sunlight and in the salt water that's getting sunburned, possibly rotted. And now looking forward to the T-top area, you can see the T-top on top of the boat, and looking back down here, look at that orange life ring that's sunburned, decayed, and quite honestly, it is contaminated or actually condemned. The U.S. Coast Guard and the Florida Water Police would condemn that throw ring, making it illegal to have on board the boat, or at least not counting towards your carriage requirements. So make sure that you get a Type IV throwable seat cushion or another Type IV throwable life ring. Looking forward, you can see the clear area up on the bow, and then the bow itself with the running light and the crisscrossed dock lines. So anytime you go for a ride on anybody's boat, your boat or any other person's boat, do check the safety equipment. Make sure they have the right amount of life jackets per person's on board, and that they have flares and throwable life rings or seat cushions. If you have any more questions about boating safety, remember, ask Captain Chris.